Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your card information on Cash App. Let's get started. Open your Cash App and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the Card tab at the bottom of your screen. This is the icon that looks like a credit card. This will bring up an image of your Cash Card. If your card is currently locked, you'll need to toggle off the Lock Card option to view your full details. Once unlocked, tap the small information icon, usually an eye, in the top right corner of your card image. Your complete card information will now display on screen, including your 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. You can use these details for online purchases and transactions. If you have a physical cash card, you can also find this information printed directly on your card. Remember to always keep your card information secure and relock your card after viewing your details for added security. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below. Thank you for watching.